Ciao and welcome to Let's Cook Italiano. Today we're making Italian meatloaf. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Martina and today I'm making meatloaf, or polpettone in Italian. This recipe is particularly special because it's just how my grandma makes it, and I love my grandma's cooking. This has always been a favorite of mine, and the beauty of this dish is that you can adapt it to your own taste. I personally like to use beef mince, but you can definitely use chicken or turkey mince, pork mince, or even lamb mince if you wish. The procedure you will see is very similar to that of meatballs, which I've made in the video linked here. It's a simple mixture of ground meat, bread, eggs, cheese, and some flavorings. The inside of the meatloaf, again, is up to your own customization. I prefer it with smoked mozzarella or provola and some ham. You can use whatever cold cut you prefer. You can use prosciutto, you can use mortadella, or you can skip the cold cut if you don't eat pork meat. And you can choose whatever cheese you like. It's excellent with cheddar, with mozzarella, or any other cheese that melts nicely. You can either bake the meatloaf or cook it in a pan with a lid. I prefer the oven just because I don't have to worry about it burning really. And you can easily store it in the fridge to eat for a couple of days after you made it. Making meatloaf is a great way to use up any stale bread you may have lying around the house. So next time you have a slice of bread that you just didn't manage to eat on time and went a bit hard, just keep it on the side in a paper bag so that it airs nicely without getting any mold, and make this delicious meatloaf. So here we go. Here's my recipe for Italian polpettone. Cut the bread into medium-sized chunks and soak it in warm water or a mixture of water and milk for about half an hour. Add the ground meat, eggs, grated pecorino cheese, salt, pepper and herbs to a bowl. You can pick whatever fresh or dried herb you like. Here I use some dried chives. Squeeze the bread to remove any excess water and add it to the bowl, then mix thoroughly with your hands until everything is well combined. Brush a deep oven dish with olive oil, then sprinkle with breadcrumbs so that the meatloaf doesn't stick to the dish. Add half of the meat mixture and pat it down to create an even base. Layer some slices of cheese, then ham, then cheese again, and finally some more ham. Add the rest of the meat mixture and level it off so that it covers everything. Sprinkle the top with some more breadcrumbs and add a bit of oil to the top. Cover the dish with tin foil and place in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius if you have a fan-assisted oven, or 180 degrees for static oven, for about an hour, removing the tin foil halfway through. Take the meatloaf out of the oven and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Then slice it and serve with your favorite vegetables or roast potatoes. And this is how I make my meatloaf. I like to serve it with a side of greens, for example spinach or broccoli work really well with it. But you can serve it with mashed potatoes, roast potatoes, or even with fries if you're feeling a bit naughty. This is also excellent in a bread roll the next day, sliced quite thinly and used almost as a cold cut. It's divine. Now, I know that meatloaf is a popular dish in many cultures, so I would love to know how you make meatloaf in your country. Let me know in a comment below. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I will see you in the next one. Ciao!